Hi guys, it's me Samuel Soviet Nihao Kailan Socialist Republic is here. Today we have some bad news. The nuke exploded from city. He's a bad city will destroyed and it killed left people. My people, citizen Samuel Soviet Nihao Kailan. Oh no. Why did this city? Why did you do this from my city? From nuke explosion. My house. And people left and people left the city. Oh no. And very dangerous. His nuke explosion. We're not going to city from war. Because the war is December 21 he's about to end it. Also today's December 16th 2025. He's my city will the explosion from nuke explode. And if you're watching this, and those city from and those city he's my city he's my city will be did not destroyed. And also my city he's nukes he's very also dangerous. We have to left and the people this time. Also, that's over now. This is Samuel Soviet Nihao Kailan Socialist Republic. Signing off. Bye.